Big breaking news coming in. Latest on the seizure of 200 kilograms of drugs from Mumbai. The NCB has called Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik's son-in-law for questioning. There is a 20,000 rupees transaction on Google Pay between drug supplier Karan Sajnani and Sameer Khan. This is suspected to be payment for drugs by the Narcotics Control Bureau. The NCB has charged Karan Sajnani with drug trafficking following the seizure of close to 200 kilograms of contraband from his possession in Mumbai during raids on Saturday. My colleague Divyesh is now joining us for the latest on this story. Divyesh, this entire net is getting wider and now it is getting political with the minister's son-in-law, Nawab Malik's son-in-law, who has been called for questioning. Over to you for all the latest information. My one question is that if there was a 20,000 rupees, transaction between Karan Sajnani and Sameer Khan, and this was for contrabands, why would they really pay on Google Pay? They would have done a cash transaction.
Shati, Sameer Khan arrived at the Narcotics Control Bureau office at around 9:45 a.m. When he arrived, he was alone. He went inside the NCB office. NCB officials initially did not confirm any details regarding Sameer Khan's identity. It was only later we learned from our sources that Sameer Khan is related directly to Maharashtra Minority Affairs Minister Nawab Malik, and there is a transaction that has happened between Sameer Khan and Karan Sajnani. Remember, answering the question that you had raised, the query that you had raised, remember in the case of Rhea Chakrabarti, Sushant Singh Rajput drug case as we know it, there were multiple evidences found between the drug peddlers like Anuj Keshwani, there was Zaid Veltara, and there was various other peddlers who were arrested then by the NCB, and many of them had received payment from their clients through Google Pay or similar other platforms. So similar such transaction has been found here as well, and that is why Sameer Khan has been summoned. His statement will be recorded, and only after verifying each and every detail of the transaction, whether it was for purchase of drug or whether it was something else, it was a different transaction, only after that further course of action could be decided by the Narcotics Control Bureau. But as of now, Sameer Khan is right behind me in this building where his statement is being recorded by Narcotics Control Bureau officials. The Zonal Director, Mr. Sameer Wankhede, has reached the office. He will also question Sameer Khan along with the intelligence officer handling this case at NCB. Cheti?
All right, so this is getting wider and the NCB is cracking down on the drug peddlers in Mumbai. This is a big story that we're going to be continuing to track here on India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.